Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe, and today we are going to talk about the upcoming beast from OnePlus, that is the OnePlus 6, which is going to be one hell of a monster in terms of specs. So make sure to watch this video till the end to know everything about OnePlus 6. OnePlus 3 and OnePlus 5 got released in the month of June, so expect OnePlus 6 to be announced in the same month, but rumors suggest that it may come sooner than that. A few images of OnePlus 6 were leaked last month showing an iPhone 10 type notch in the front panel with a rear glass panel with dual camera setup and a fingerprint sensor just below it with a 6.3 inch of display. OnePlus 6 is rumored to be coming out with a 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel dual camera setup on the back with a 20 megapixel front facing camera for selfies and with a 3400 mAh battery powered by a Snapdragon 845 having 8 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of onboard storage. As taking a look on these heavy specs, the price of the upcoming OnePlus 6 is going to hike a lot. The price is going to be $750, and which is going to be nearly the same in terms of euros, that is nearly about 700 euros in Europe. And that is too high, and the supporters or the fans of OnePlus won't be able to handle this amount of money increase on the OnePlus 6, and I think the amount increased on OnePlus 6 is too high. So what do you think about the price of OnePlus 6? Tell me in the comments section below. So what are your favorite features of upcoming OnePlus 6? Do let me know in the comment section below, and if you like the video, do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming contents like this one. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.